How to identify hot-selling products for your Shopify store. For new entrepreneurs, deciding to start an online business is exciting, but it's also new terrain that can be intimidating and difficult to navigate. One of the biggest challenges aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs face is figuring out what to sell online, whether it's a single product or multiple products that occupy a niche in a market. Coming up with product ideas can be tough, and it often feels like everything has already been done. Not to mention, there's a lot of competition online these days. But there's still golden opportunities out there, and new successful products are being launched all the time. So, how can you get in on the action? Are there any products that are trending right now? Well, I'm here to tell you, yes, there are. Calm your worries and allow me to tell the stories. First of all, you need to know which approach is best for your business. You don't want to sell your products just by offering the lowest prices. Others can always undercut you. If you don't really care what you sell, as long as it generates income, you'll still need to do your homework. You must be willing to learn about the product you have finally decided to offer in your store. Don't sell what everyone else is selling. It makes business a lot harder. Things that people are able to pick up at Walmart, such as DVDs, books, well-known clothing brands, and other such items, will be difficult to sell because there's not much extra value you can add. People know these products and are happy to pick them up in a department store without any advice or buying them for the best price online. It's no secret that organic search traffic is a massive marketing channel. Looking for keyword opportunities involves strategically looking for a product or niche online based on the search queries people are using, volume, and competition for those searches. This approach is fairly technical and involves a strong understanding of keyword research as well as SEO. Finding opportunities in keyword searches can be an effective strategy for capturing consistent organic traffic from Google. This strategy is particularly useful if you plan to dropship products, as margin on dropshipped goods are thin, making it difficult to use paid advertising channels effectively. The quickest way to verify trending products, to see if they hold their weight in water, is with the Google Trend tool. The Google Trend tool will show the trend of your product ideas based on total search volume starting from 2004, not only showing you the total search volume, but also displaying the countries and cities that the ideas are most popular in. Besides, trend publication are one of the best future places to start your search for trending products to sell online. Unlike the other resources on this list, this may not give you direct and exact product ideas. However, it helps you to start understanding the direction of consumer buying pattern are headed, which can spark some incredible product ideas. Other product searching engines are PSFK, Cool Hunting, The Cool Hunter, Uber Cool, Trend Watching, Trend Hunter, and Springwise. PSFK is a top trending online publication whose goal is to make things better. Cool Hunting is an award-winning publication that uncovers the latest design, technology, style, travel, art, and culture. Cool Hunting's original content helps to inform the creative community in designing the future. As for the Cool Hunter, it's a natural fit for its e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to stay in the know and ahead of the curve. The Cool Hunter is a leading authority in all things creative and truly a global hub for what's cool, thoughtful, innovative, and original. Uber Cool is run by only one man, but there's a lot of information and product ideas up for grabs. Trend Watching, on the other hand, searches the globe for upcoming consumer product trends. It utilizes a team of 30 trend scouts in locations worldwide, all on the search for product trends and ideas that you can use. Trend Hunter is one of the largest trend communities with a global network of 137,000 members. It's a great source of idea inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs on the hunt for new product ideas to sell online. And lastly, you can browse the new business and product ideas that they've published in the last 30 days in Springwise. It also publishes a daily and a weekly newsletter which you can subscribe for free. Marketplaces are probably the most common sources to find trending products because they feature products currently selling online. However, because of the sheer size of many of these marketplaces, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up unless you know the strategy to find the best trending online products within these marketplaces. First, business-to-business, B2B marketplaces are gold because not only are you able to find the gems, but you can also find a supplier at the same time. One of the popular B2B wholesale product sites is Alibaba. I bet you've heard of Alibaba. They are the biggest e-commerce company in the world, even larger than Amazon and eBay combined. Alibaba connects consumers all over the world with wholesalers and manufacturers, typically from Asia. With hundreds and thousands of products, there is not much you can't find on Alibaba. Some of the largest competitors of Alibaba you should spend time exploring include TradeKey, Global Sources, Made in China, and India Mart. Next, consumer marketplace are the places that are selling direct to the end consumer. By strategically searching some of their trending pages, you can get a better sense on consumer trends and products related to them. Some happening examples would be eBay, Amazon, and Kickstarter. eBay is the largest online consumer auction site. You can find some of the most popular product categories on eBay Popular or use eBay Watch Count, which is an online tool that will list the popular items on eBay based on how many people are watching them. As for Amazon, the largest internet retailer, you can find the most popular products based on sale on Amazon Best Sellers, which is updated hourly. Also, you can find Amazon's biggest gainers in sales rank over the past 24 hours in Amazon Movers and Shakers, which also is updated hourly. Kickstarter, on the other hand, is the largest crowdfunding website. You're able to browse all projects by popularity, funding staff picks as well as many other options with Kickstarter Discover. First of all, these are not suggested products to sell online. It's some interesting ideas that are trending upwards according to Google Trend. Before selling anything online, you must first do your own due diligence to determine market demand and potential. Trending products are good, but if you can make it even better, why not? Put in your own idea to an existing product to make it better, and make it your own piece. It's not plagiarizing, but an innovative product recreation. The nutrition and health industry is always changing, and there's always opportunity for new products to cater to the latest diet. One of the bigger but interesting trends in the last few years is the paleo diet. Just an extra information for you if you do not know what a paleo diet is. It's a modern nutritional plan based on the presumed diet of Paleolithic humans that lived 1,500 years ago. There's a massive spike in Google Trend beginning at the tail end of 2010. The next trending item is wooden glasses. Who would have thought about this? A search for wooden sunglasses in Alibaba returns 22,603 products from 555 suppliers. With all these suppliers, there is like a strong demand. By taking wooden sunglasses to Google Trend, it appears that wood-framed sunglasses are a fairly new product but have seen consistent growth almost every year since inception. After finding the wooden sunglasses, there's a curiosity on other wooden accessories. Even though there are plenty of products, but wooden watches came across to be an interesting one. From Google Trends, it appears they came into existence at the end of 2004 and have been recognized as a slow but steady climb in interest up through 2012. The last interesting trendy product is matcha powder. What's matcha powder? Matcha is a finely milled green tea powder originated from Japan and has become increasingly popular along with the tea category in general. Supermarket tea sections have exploded from carrying Red Rose and Tetley to a variety of hundreds of brands in recent years. The trend for matcha powder, according to Google Trend, has been increasing every year since 2009 and just recently seen a massive spike in search interest.